So hi everyone, I was not coming live because I was having some health issue. But anyways, I'll try to continue this series as much as I can. Okay. So good morning and thank you everyone for your kind support. So let me start with the first job opening. So this is job opening video that I have recorded in the morning. So this is the first job opening that we have, which is basically in perm hunt, right? And they are hiring for 100% remote role. So they are hiring for a junior security consultant, and there are a couple of requirements which is required, like bachelor degree in cybersecurity is important, information technology, proven experience, your tool like Nmap, Nessus, Bubsuit, Metasploit is important. So this is a link careers at permhunt.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? If you'll get selected, they will mail you. Now this is something which is different. Okay, cybersecurity team is hiring for VAPT professionals. So first they want expertise in web API, network and cloud pen testing. Second is Nessus, Metasploit and Bubsuit knowledge is important. Third is source code review. So they want you to have a notice period of 0 to 30 days. And this is certificate which is required. OSCP, GPAN, GWAPT, GXPAN and REST, right? Mail ID is venkataraman.im@in.ey.com on which you can drop your resume. Next one is someone is hiring for network security engineer, Sarja Sharjah in UAE, right? They want to get you joined as soon as possible. They want you to, uh, those who can immediate join, they can only apply, right? There are a couple which is required. This is probably a networking job. Here you can see as well. And they want Palo Alto knowledge, VPN, F5, Cisco IP, telephony, UC500, and BE6K is important. sec.fatima.3i-infotech.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? Next one is data privacy consultant. This is for experience only. The 3 years of experience required. KR is there. Okay, and this is Karthik dot samsrecruiter.in is the mail on which you can drop your resume. And data privacy consultant, the role on which you. Now, next one is Auzaz. Auzaz is hiring, guys. They are hiring a lot of positions, right? So whatever you do, just drop your resume. A hack. Silpa.e@auzaz.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. 1 to 2 years of experience required, Mumbai, and VAPT is the role you need to have. So, guys, if you like, there's a lot of company who are hiring for VAPT people's web application pen testing peoples. So if you want to learn about exactly how web application pen testing works, you can check out this URL. The next one is Gurgaon based job, which is associate analyst, right? And they want immediate joiners, and they want you to work as in SOC. 2+ years of experience required. This email ID, which is anusi.jan@accountability.com, right? So, guys, also one more thing, if you want to learn about SOC, then you can check out this URL viehgroup.com/SOC, right? The next one is, yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment. Have a great day.